Okay, this is Anil Bhardwaj. I'm Managing Director of Yamazaki Mazak. ENGIMACH, we have participated for the first time. Experience has been fantastic. There is a lot of crowd and a lot of people are coming. And we find most of the customers are interested in buying new machines. And the crowd is very much interested in the technology that we are proposing in India. Our company is a Japanese company. We are manufacturing lathes, VMCs, HMCs and multitasking machines. The people coming over here are very much interested in multitasking machines and they are very much interested in investing in the machine so that they can take their workshop to the next level. It is more of branding and we wanted to see how the customers respond here in Gujarat. And we find most of the customers are coming over here, our present customers as well as users of other machines, and we are finding it more interactive. More and more people we could meet, and this has been a great experience in last 3 days. They have been very good in marketing. They had communicated continuously. Their communication with us and customers and marketing has been great, and we find it very good. And we would like to continue our association in the next exhibition. Solid leads will be able to convert it to orders in future, near future. We are finding the Indian machine tool industry is also going in a great way, and a lot of Indian machine tool manufacturers are here. And we have a long way to go if we have to compete with the Germans, Americans, and as well as Japanese. So yes, we have, but most of the guys are making good machineries, and we will, of course, go to the next level in the near future.